Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2017 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 7249. It's 2015 to the current shape. It's a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory mega tyre, left-hand door mirror. Left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent and crease, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory mega tyre, right rear door curb, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,